morning, Freedom Worship Center. Thank you for making it out. If this is your first time here at Freedom Worship Center, we'd appreciate it if you would fill out this visitor's card. It's just a good way for us to stay in contact with you and let you know what's going on here. And if you would just drop this off at the Media Center after church, we'd appreciate it. Just got a few announcements for you today, so here we go.
Alright, back by popular demand. In the lobby, you can place orders for my daddy's chili, Rick Abel. He has some awesome chili that he's whipping up for you guys, so you can place your orders in the lobby, and all of the proceeds from that will go to support global missions. For all the mission trips that we're doing this year, we're going to Burkina Faso, Cuba, and Turkey, and all of those proceeds will go towards those trips.
Our next water baptism service will be Sunday, March 10th, so if any of you are interested in getting baptized, be sure to sign up in the guest center.
One of the keys to the kingdom is the key of giving. We ask that you would prayerfully consider and prepare giving in our third annual Resurrection Seed Offering that will be held on Easter Sunday, March 31st. There are a lot of opportunities for you and your family to get involved in here at Freedom Worship Center.
Yep, each weekday we have morning prayer in the sanctuary from 6 to 7 a.m.
And each Tuesday night we have WOW, which is Women of Worship, and it starts at 6:30 and goes until 8 p.m.
And every Wednesday is a day of fasting. I encourage everyone to fast as the Lord will lead you and to spend time in prayer.
And we also have the daily journey, which also meets in the sanctuary every Wednesday from noon to 1 p.m.
Also, every Wednesday night is family night here at Freedom Worship Center. It starts at 7 p.m. There's ministries for all ages to help you grow in your walk with Christ.
In the upcoming Easter season, be sure to take note of all of our service times. On Easter Sunday and Palm Sunday, we're going to have 2 services at 9 and 11 a.m. And on Good Friday, we're having a service at 7 to 8 p.m. Also note that we're going to do a showing of the Passion of the Christ on Saturday, March 30th at 4 p.m. Note that this is a graphic film, so you won't want to include young children when you're watching this film. There are going to be tickets available in the guest center for you to hand out to friends and family to invite to all the events that we're having here at Freedom Worship Center.
Alright you guys, Easter's coming up. In order to help us prepare for the Easter egg hunt, drop off some candy in the lobby.
Alright, the March calendar is ready for you guys to pick up if you want one. It's out in the lobby so you can get it, so you can stay in the loop with what's going on here at Freedom.
Here at Freedom Worship Center, we have an incredible ministry for our children, but we are in need of some more volunteers. So if you're interested in being a volunteer in children's ministry, be sure to talk to my mom, Terry Booth, about getting involved.
Alright, that's it for this week's announcements. If you missed something or came in a little late, you can still check us out on our Facebook or our website, and that'll let you know what's going on here at Freedom Worship Center. Hope you have a great day.